In the heart of Puglia, there is a place where space becomes possibility. It was here in 1957 that a journey began which continues to this day. Since then, ICAM has never stopped moving towards the future. We grow, we listen, we adapt, because for us, innovation is a daily commitment. In every piece of metal we bring to life, in every machine we connect, in every interaction we activate, there is the energy of an integrated ecosystem that governs every phase. We combine mechanics, electronics and software to create automated storage systems that think, communicate and learn. Because intelligence is not only in our storage solutions, it lies in the way we imagine them, design them, build them and continuously evolve them. From vertical and horizontal automated storage systems to mobile racking solutions, every ICAM solution is designed to simplify material handling and turn space into value. Everything is connected. We are intelligence in motion. From Italy to the world. We believe the true driving force of ICAM is its people, those who design, assemble, develop, and those who support our customers. Years of experience and vision that shape innovation every single day. 70 years of history have taught us that there is no technology without vision, and above all, there is no intelligence without humanity. We believe in tomorrow, and we build it today. ICAM, Intelligent Space Solutions.